Right, hona le ntho ke sa e boneng. Hona le ntho ke sa e boneng. Re na le from the list of numbers below, write down all the numbers that are factors of 6. Okay? Now, the factors of 6 are two numbers. When we multiply them, we get 6. Okay? Which is 1 multiplied by 60, is 60. And then we're gonna lay 3 times 2, Leona, 6. Okay? So those would be the only factors that we have. That will be the only factors that we have. 1 times 6 is 6 and 3 times 2 is 6. Those will be the factors of 6. And then 1.2, the multiples of 3. Again, the multiples of 3 will be 3, 6, 9, 12, continuing in that manner. Right?
3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 multiplied by 2, 12.
Icon. Onana re batla the multiples. No, that wena o tshwaya khotso. Khotso o tshwaya wena. Right. Ebe ke imputso e latelang.
Multiplies.
Three. Multiples of 3. Se re di entse ke 1.2. Ke 1.2.
Prime number. All prime number.
All
Prime number.
Prime numbers. Now, Mo, I want us to think about the number 1. If we say that 1 is a prime number, and prime numbers is a number that has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. What you want to Oh, guy, hello, guy, Ntate. 1.2, that about the multiples of 3. Corner 1.3. Corner 1.3. Corner 1.3. I get Rabatanali Lily prime numbers. Rabatanali prime numbers. What you know is that? Hey, ana butata. But mo hona le nomoro e wrong mona ya 2. So come on mang, because we are given 2 marks for this. Atomune 1 mark. Because agere only the factors of 6. Only 2 and 3. Be correct because 2 times 3 is 6. So man only 1 and 6, so that 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. So Romney 1 mark for that. Now 1.3 about the prime numbers. A prime number being a number that has only 2 factors, 1 in the number itself. But is 1 a prime number? This should be something that we are asking ourselves. I know the factors of 1, it's 1 times 1, which is 1. But in order to qualify as a prime number, we need to have 2 numbers that has only 2 factors. I know that 1 times 2 is 2, and therefore 2 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors.
So I said, any prime number question 4.
1.3, we do
1.3. Here again
divisible by 2. So we are looking for all the numbers that are divisible by 2. Come on, among every number that goes into 2 without leaving any remainder. The first one will be 2, 4, 6, and 8. Just to mention a few.
And I get the 6, 12, 18.
6, 12, 18 is correct because 6 goes into 2, 2 goes into 6 without leaving a remainder. For 1 mark. 1 mark because get 2 mark for this. 1 mark.
Mona number 2 ke bokae?
1.2
Eh.
ke 2 mark. 1.4 ke yone batlang prime number.
1.4 ya msu.
We will say 2, 3, 5, and 7. Just to mention a few. Okay, include Amona maybe bo 11, bo 13, bo 15. Sorry, not 15. 15 doesn't qualify. Bo 17. Bo 17 mo. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. Just to mention a few. Adding a prime number.
Yeah, give us the offer. You want to feel like 2.
From the list, that is why there must have been a list that is provided for you to choose from, or now from that list, which numbers are prime numbers, which numbers are divisible by 2. So how much only one number? I'm gonna have 1 mark. Mara 2 mark. But now we will just provide you 1 mark for that. Over 2. Never 1.5.
1.5.
Eh.
If we want 1.2.
1.2. About we?
Write down the missing number of
Making the same equation.
Write down the missing numbers to make the sides equal. Like it. Oh no way. I like you bone mutu no mutim.
Thank you, Bobsy. What again? I'm going to
467 in a hakebo. Hakebo in it. 4, 6, 7, 9, 40 plus 1670 plus 357 865 plus 2678 897. This is equal 467 940 plus 1670 plus space plus 357 865. Right. Ga batla tseba ona ke nomoro e feng e we addang akere? Ke nomoro e feng e we addang on the right side so that we can make the left hand side be equals to the right hand side. O kopanya pele nomoro tsena di ufa bokae tse ha o di kopanya? Khotso di ufile bokae? Ha o di kopanya? Wena di ufile bokae?
359,535.
Monna khotso o tlile jwang o kopanya ntho tse o bo di force? O force jwang dintho tse o ntate o di shebile mono di kopanya fela? O bo di force jwang khotso? O di force jwang ntho tse no ntate ka nnete? O force jwang nomoro tse o di shebile ntate? Yo fa bokae nomoro e?
359,535.
Je? Le gane. Already na le 467,940. How na ba ka fa 359,535. This is wrong. This number how it's very wrong. It's very very wrong. That to kopanya nomoro tse hantle. Already sontso fositse. Already. Already sontso o fositse. Wala hlola go kopanya nomoro tse ka nnete bana. Nomoro tse. Kaofela ke batla jwalo.
Go tla ba tla na fe.
Ai khona ntate o kopanya nomoro kaofela e.
That's why you first stay.
Nomoro ena kaofela ntate. Banna ke 467 940
940 plus. Bracket.
plus
How would you plus?
1670
Is that true?
plus 357
Plus.
865 plus 267
plus
897
3.
57.
you offer 109
Blue or happy.
53
865.
72
65.
and then on the right side let's see
26.
467
7,
940
8. Over 97.
plus
Bracket.
1670 plus 357 865 you get a value of 287 a tsebo kopanya ba nna le nhlotse le fositse ntate 827 a le tsebo kopanya 475 ke right ya ka e ke batla go tseba nomoro ke edam ka right e fumana this ke batla go tseba nomoro ke edam mona gore left hand side le kana le right hand side ke tla ba that number ke x ke batla x ke nka nomoro ena ke isa ka nqana shintsha letshwao x ke bokae a simple problem onone bua ntho nngwe a very simple 109 53 72 minus 82 74 75 you offer 267 89 7 267 897 that should be the value of x icon and that when I scientific settings back or fella shift over 9 or shift 9
Oh, the key Samsung. Automatic.
Right, the second question is very important. In the second question, Khozo, oko concentrate that.
Study
the following number below. You will 30.
A guy that number that you need to study.
30.
On a way, on a way 30, on a way 2, on a way 18, on a way 10. I get the live, I get all. Or to organize these numbers so that each equation is correct. Right, hold to space C plus space C divide by space C minus space C, you should get 24. plus divide minus equals that. So re tlo kenya number tseo tse 4. Potso go bona re tlo di kenya jwang? A get? Ke batla 24. 30 plus 10 ke 40. 40 divided by 2 ke 20. And then in 20 minus 80
ke 10.
icon. Bon,
Ma bona mo tse 10.
30 plus 10 ke 40. 40 divided by 2 ke 20. 20 minus 80
ke 2.
I tlo pasa, yeah?
Divide.
Right, jwale re tlo e kenya jwang?
Re tlo re 30. So man.
30. Banna mollo mong ha bue fela o motseng. Re tlo re 30 plus 8
Divide by 2.
divide by 2
Minus 10.
minus 10. Ha re shebe na ke nnete. Ke bokae 30 plus 8?
30 plus 2 divided by 10 minus 18.
Ha re shebe
Ha hona
pele.
18.
Ke bokae? Ha ona 18.
Ke 86.
What is here?
Right, 30 plus 8 ke 38.
38.
38 divided by 2 ke bokae? 38 divided by 2.
38 divided by 2. 19.
What is 19 minus 10? I know for 24 khale. This is wrong also. This is very, very wrong. This is wrong. Bunta te retsa jwang ke ba?
If 9 minus 10.
Ha re qaleng pele mo. O re ke kenya bokae? Mo.
30 plus 2 plus 8 divided by 2
Minus 10.
minus 10. Calculating.
But must say o divide before a, okay? 80 divided by 2 ke 4. And then it go for 30 plus 4 minus 10. 30 plus 4 ke 34 minus 10 ke 24. This is correct. This is very, very correct. Give 4 mark for this problem. Give 4 mark. O ka nna e kenya ile jwalo calculating e ka o bolella. Ke 4 mark. Ke 4 mark bunda. Right, ha ona taba. Ha re yeng 1.4 ho thwe
Calculate the following and
The following end is slow.
all the
and show all the calculation. And I have a problem. Root 36. Root 36 multiply
3 squared
by 3 squared minus 2 to exponent 3. Right, ntho ya pele ke batla bona gona ke bokae square root of 36? Ke 6. Go fa mark for ntho e. Multiply. Ke batla bona go 3 squared ke 9. Minus. Ke batla bona go 2 squared ke 8. Ke 3 mark ntho e. And then obana le 6 multiplied by 9 minus 8 ke 1, which is 6. And then the last mark ke 4.
I get to 3 already. You see, hotel of
48.
Okay, ke bon. Khotso o itse 36. Icon and 23 wing ka kae ntate? Square root of 36 ntate ke 6. Icon and that khotso ntona we fositse ntate. We fositse ntwe. Ha ka ta ha botse le dipotso. Ke mo bolella hantle mona hore ha dutse ha sa utlwisisa botse dipotso ha botse khotso ha re nix. Ka matha fela ngola ntate a matha murtu. A imathela khotso ga wana le ntho tse ngata. Right, ha re e potsong e latelang. Ha re e potsong e latelang. 1.4.2. 1.4.2. Otho rona re simplify 4 plus 3 squared minus the third root of 64.
I get kgotsa
6
multiply I
How
got
we
the
get?
I got the key. My ke ngotse ntho tse hantle man. Ke 6 multiply by 9
Ke
minus 8.
ntho ke 2/4.
Ah, ke
How
3.
nya tse pedi answer le.
Bona mona ke 3 mo.
Jo kgotso ke 3
Ke 111.
o ga o batla go mfo se 1 for ka ke nyane.
Ha sa fumana final answer ena ya 6 wa
Wa
false.
fo.
Wa false.
Mfosisitse.
Right.
Ha ke
Now this one ke batla go bona o itse 4 plus 3 ke 7. Ha ka tla go we square. O ne a le tshwao for ntwe minus.
Ah.
Ke batla go bona gore o itse ho nna ke batla go bona go itse the third root of 64 ke 4. Ke batla go bona go mona o itse the answer is 4. O bo 7 squared ke batla go bona go itse ke 49 minus 4 which is 45. Batla bona di step tse ke ntse mo hlokwa tse ke batlang go di bona tse go tswa ntate re mo ke batla go bona ntho tse di tepe tse ha o sena tsona mono wa fosa motho ntate ha ile 0 mo fe 0 straight even to felletseng mona na ke o itse 7 ke answer cube root of 64 ke 4 ke 1 answer and then final answer ke 1 ke ka matsomo ke 3 mark ntwe di yele 3 mark motho o iluzitse mo. The next question e be reng
Right following big to small.
icon ona le 1.4.3
1
ya 0.2 squared plus the square root of 0.25. Ke batla go bona mo go o itse 0.2 o itse 0.2 ke 1/5
3,
1/5 plus batho nga re shebe mo ke batla go bona mona o 0.25 o itse ntwena ke 25 over 100 a re sa fose
Ah, we fositse. Ke fotse mo ke one. Into 55.
ke batla go bona mona o itse 1/5 plus ntwena ha we simplify ke 1/4 ntwena we simplify ke batla go bona this 1/4 ha o qeta o itse 1/, batho nga re mamele ntwena e ntse le square t ska lebala this thing is square. Right. Ke batla go bona go mona o itse the square root of 1 ke 1, the square root of 4 ke 2. Then mona wa re 1/25 plus 1/2. And then ya offer answer 2.
Iso keep time soon. Answer there. Into that times.
Ke batla go share. Ena e tlo fa 1/25 plus 1/2. You offer answer ya 27/50.
Totally.
So total ya teng ha o entse tjena ya pele ke 1, ha o entse tjena ke 1 wa mpontsha hore ntwena o ka simplify ya o fa 1/4 ke mark, ha o remove square root ke mark,
4.
final answer ke mark, so ke 5 ko fa 5 mark mo motho a fumane 0 wa ngola ke 0/5 o ngola o fumane 0/5 please. Right, hurry here 1.5 ke kopa re ye 1.5 video ena o tla e fumana ka YouTube o tla e fumana ka YouTube hurry here 1.5 go to when right from biggest to smallest o newe 11/100 o newe 5/10 on a way 43 over 100, on a way 4 over 5, on a way 30 over 100, on a way 9 over 25. Right from biggest to smallest. That's the first thing that you do. Or you calculate 11 over 100. Decimal mo. 0.11. Enaki 0.5. Ena etofa 0.43. Aksa fusi. Berere 4 over 5.
We have 800 multiplied by 10 negative 3.
Over 0.8. Ana bona calculate mahadli kayo. Ena it over 3 over 10. It only has 0.3. And in it over MRP, get the converter fail. 9 divided by 25. 0.36. From biggest to smallest. Now the biggest number, I'm sharing. Kiena ya 0.8. Kama 0 only 8. So kiona ya bile the biggest one. Kaya pumu. Kama 0.8. Ota ina ya 0.5. Again? In fact, I clue ngola chi. Kibata we ngola ka 0.8. Inembo guy 4 over 5. Kya pili. Ya bubedi ki 0.5. Which is 5 over 10. And then Yaburaru Ibeba 0.4. Elim 43 over 100. Ibeba inaya 0.3. Inaki 0.36. So ina ikhulu e. Kama ntomanki 9 over 25.
9 over 25.
And then Ibeba inanaya 30 over 100. And then lastly, Ibeba 11 over 100. Mutana pilentwe, omonea 2 mark.
How for stay in one?
I go for step of fair. Or for step of fair, like 0 on that. Omufa 0. 0 over 2. Right. We'll go to write numbers in normal notation. Onewe 1,123 times 10 exponent 5 of 9,4 times 10 exponent 4. Right? Hey, you want to draw along?
Again, to get soon. Oh, 9,2.
Sorry, man, 9,2. Right. Rabatangola in normal notation. Of ki multiply scalable of ki multiply. Jwala go tsa jwa. Bo. Mona. Go 1,123 times 10 exponent 5 multiplied by 9,2 times 10 exponent 4. I'm talking the multiply mo. Omunea 1 mark.
Yes.
For changing that of to multiplication. Omunea 1 mark. Multiplication, I can multiply in any way I want. Nganga numero yena ya 1,123 kai multiply ka 9,2. Ka multiply numero yena ya 10 exponent 5 ka 10 exponent 4. Ka regroup ba ke multiply. How about the multiply di le jwa? O ka re 1,123 nna ke multiplier ka 9.2 ya mfa value ya 10,336 times 10. When I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add the exponent. It comes 5 plus 4, which is 9. This becomes your final answer. And they are the same answer. Right, hurry. 1, 1, 2, 3 times 10 exponent of 5 multiplied by 9.2 times 10 exponent of 4.
So what's the exponent is straight?
Kyo. Already out of it, man. Ke exponent. Yo fa 1,0336 times 10 exponent of 10.
Yes.
I don't want it.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Hey, Kiona, because I just want to Mona Rona receive 1 digit to that side. Eba 9. How is 1 digit to this side? Eba 10. I don't want it.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
So, half ball. I'm a share.
Muchana ke 16 into MCA. Before 16 into.
Engagebo.
I don't know what I'm going to get for.
Hey, 16.
It I'm not too second for seated.
Eh, ke 16 ke na le nna ke 16. Ke 16. Ke 16. Ke 16. Come on, Thomas, get 2 mark. Ke 1 mark ya ne ya multiply plus 1 mark ya final.
Get 2 over 1.
Again?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
On a play fella answer. Again.
Right, hurry Hurry 1.7. Barry, determine the square root of 1764. 1764 namu. 176
64 is.
Akabata di prime factors. Writing this as a product of its prime factors. Mplele motho ke moleng.
2 can
Retori
square root
800
divided by 2.
882.
And over
882.
we divide by 2 e be over e be over batho ngame
441. E be fa
divide by 3.
e be over
Into. It won't for 147. They divide by 3.
e be over
49. The Vita Sebekiri
49.
49. No one and taking up a key.
no the look 749 abi
Valagan to born.
kasi divide ka timo na kano divide ka 7 nenta
That's a way.
49 divided by 7 again guy ke 7 and 7 divided by 7 again 1 again so ntwe re tlo ngola ele the square root of 1764 re tlo ngola ele 2 tse kae tse pedi
multiply by
3 tse pedi 7 tse pedi times 1 again ntwe ke tlo ngola ele 2 squared 3 squared 7 squared again now ntwe a ile g nka ngola ele 2 times 3 times 7 is squared. And then in square root of the 2 they are cancelana. Only 2 times 3 times 7, which is 6 times 7, which is 6 times 7. What is 6 times 7? Ele 42. Come on, someone, how can you score this entry? Come lay your entry.
42.
I will raise Zama Rebo.
Ke over mamsi.
Kya 1764. The answer is 42. So come on, Jama. But you know it's saying, Mame, what you know saying, write as a product of its prime factors. Oh, na rin wala ji. Oh, na. Nagabata o fella. As a product of its prime factors. How can I say this table? So, any correct take out fail. Get 3 mark. What a stepping say? Get 1 mark. Come on, someone, get 4 mark. Come on, someone, get 4 mark. The next question. In the next question.
Write in simplest form. Rapport.
Write in the simplest form. A 0,5 meter to 250 centimeter. You can't divide if the SI unit is at 1. You will have to do something more. Now, we can either convert from meter to centimeter. So I'm going to convert this centimeter to meter. I'm moving from centimeter to a meter. I'm moving from a smaller number to a bigger number. I divide. The conversion number between centimeter and meter is 100. So kilonka 250 begi divide 100. Eben fa 25 divided by 10. 25 divided by 10. What is 25 divided by 10? Empha 2.5. Empha 2.5 meter. I will share over 2. Empha 2.5 meter. Sekere 0,5 meter is to 2.5 meter. Hakikataki ngolantwi as a fraction. Kibuka is 0.5 as a fraction. Okay, 1.5. You found 1.5 meter. What is 2.5? Can say about 2.5? It's 25 over 10, which is 5 over 2. The denominator 2. I multiply both sides by 2. 2 into 2 goes once. Give another 1 meter. 2 into 2 goes once. Give another 5 meter. This is my final answer in a simplified ratio. If you convert the centimeters to meters. I convert centimeter to centimeter. So when I move from meter to centimeter now, I'm moving from a bigger number to a smaller number. I multiply by which conversion number? 100.